Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the important concept of SQL, which is widely used in analysis field when we, are preparing the report from a table or we fetch the data from database and prepare the report. So today we learned group by, having, and order by. Okay, so we'll see one by one, and this is the important concept of in SQL. So let's start. So this time we'll start from fact sales monthly table. Okay, so in this table, I already, confirm you have a multiple column, and the important column we going to use sold quantity, customer name, and then a division category. So let's start from order by. So why we use order by? So order by we use, to prepare the data ascending or descending way to look my data accurately. Okay, so right now you so showing 81, 157, 128, 168 like that. So once we do the descending order, it will show the higher to lower. So let's start. Then we use select start from fact sales monthly table. Okay, order by order by order by order by will do channel. Order by will do a product descending way. Once we execute this query, it will show in a proper order. So running the query, it will take some time. So see, this time our product started from a, and then it is going to till the end. Okay, okay. Once again, the let's check once again for division. Okay, so we'll just copy this one and paste it here and used here division. Division, so it will change, the order. So start from PC, so it will change the order. Let's check the next command, that is called group by. Okay, so let's discuss first group by, why we use the group by and when we use the group by. So group by use always used for aggregation. When we used aggregation term, it means when we use sum, count, multiply, then we use group by. And after group by we use order. So there is a proper structure and order. So we cannot use order and then group by. We always use group by and then order. So let's see. Select this time use a market. Okay, market count. All I want to see all the count from fact table, and then I want to club the market. I want to club this market. Okay, how many countries we have in the market column, and parallelly we'll count the total sold product in market. Okay, so we'll group by market. So see, we have market, and according to market we sold the quantity this much. Okay, in every market we are selling the product in a market this much. Okay, so next command will check. Let's write one more query. This time we will use, will club two product. Okay, we'll club two column. Let's see what output we get. So this time we used market, and uh, next I want to see the product name. Okay, product name count and market, and here we also product. Let me run this query. It's showing error, unknown column product. It means I did wrong in product column. Okay, so my spelling is wrong. Product. Once, let me execute once again this running. So it will show the market. This is the market and what we are product is dealing, and this is the total count. Okay, so next going to use a having clause. Having clause. So having clause is a similar kind of where clause, but difference is having clause is used for aggregation purpose and where clause is used only for filtering the data from a table. Okay, the difference between where clause and having clause, where clause filter the data from table and having clause also filter the data from table, but in the case of while using of aggregation. Okay, so let's first write the query and then understand. So select uh, first division, division, division market from fact sales monthly, group by this one. Okay, having count is greater than 2000. Okay, so I'm giving the criteria. So when we are selling the product, having the count is greater than 2000, show me all the product. Okay, let's run this product. Let's wait while executing the query. So it only filter the division and market, but not filter what we are looking. We are looking to show me the division and the market and how many products sold above 2000. So we'll mistake here, use the count here. Okay, count stars of everything and then execute. It will show now. See, now the count is above the 2000. Okay, if we change like more than 5000, more than 4000, then execute. I think MySQL is taking more time than SQL server. So you see, not executed. So all the data is more than 4000. So guys, let me know if you have any question and query. So thank you for the day.